Hello and welcome to this video about applying learner personas. Building your persona takes work, so it's important that they're put to good use. So with this in mind, we'll look at how you can apply your personas throughout your training and development programs. So let's get started. Learning personas, as we know, are fictional representations of your target audience. They help you to understand your learners' needs, preferences, and behaviours. This information can help you refine your approach and improve your overall learning outcomes. So, given what you know, how would you tailor your content, your curricular pathways, your gaming mechanics, and your social learning approach for each of your learning personas? So first of all, refining your strategy. How would you adapt your content strategy for each learning persona? We can start by considering how and when would they access your learning content? How long do you expect each content intervention to be? And how can you engage them using narrative, using different content forms and interactive elements in order to make it exciting for the audience? Next up, you might consider how to adapt your learning pathways for each persona. So what are the goals and objectives that are reasonable for each persona mapped onto the curricular pathways? How much structure does each learning persona need? And should they have free access to the content or just a selection of the content? These are all things you should be thinking about with regards to the individual learning personas. So once you've got your content and your pathways nailed down for each persona, you can then refine your approach to gamification. Things that you should be considering. What gaming mechanics motivates best each persona? How can you make your mechanics meaningful by creating a theme and some eye-catching imagery? And how about any additional structure that you could apply to boost engagement? For example, should you offer one-off badges, one-off rewards, one-off recognition and status? Should leaderboards be based on teams or should they be based on individuals? Should you offer fully fledged learning games? Finally, let's consider your social learning strategy. Is social learning a good fit for your audience? Would the persona be willing to share their knowledge or would they be a watcher of the knowledge? How often would they be willing to contribute to your learning community? And what level of expertise would they bring to the table? And how would that expertise impact the overall quality of learning within your social environment? Okay, a lot of information there, but in summary, let's wrap things up. We recommend breaking down your approach into 4 key areas. For each persona, you should be looking at content, pathways, gamification, social learning. And if you can align these elements, you will really engage your learners. You can change their behavior and create real business impact and ROI with your learning and development budget. What's not to love?